Let's go.
We're going to Greece. 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 Where are we going? I think we're going to Greece.
You can see it from the top. Athens is surrounded by mountains. Okay, let's go. Vamos.
Yes.
Let's go run. I want this fettuccine. Oh, sorry.
No, go for it. Dig in. Welcome back with another trip with Bridget. This is our first room tour of the tour on the Greek Islands Plus with EF Ultimate Breaks.
I'm talking to myself.
Exactly. They're all making fun of me, but it's okay.
I don't know. Like, a lot of people have been asking about
So
Greece.
embarrassing. We're here at the Acropolis.
The outfit of the day.
The OOTD.
I am wearing Marshalls.
For your vlog, you gotta get me a gainer and off the cliff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm actually so thrilled to be bringing you this footage because funny story is I thought it got deleted or the gods took it. Both are possible. Anyway, this is the Greek Islands Plus with EF Ultimate Breaks. And if you don't know, I'm actually an EF Ultimate Breaks ambassador. So that means first-time travelers can use my link below and my code UABridget100 to save $100 off your first time traveling with them. I'm so excited to get into day 3 and we're at the Parthenon. Let's get started. Oh my god, we're at the Parthenon, also known as the Acropolis, which is located in Athens, Greece. This is actually my second time being here and honestly, what a sight to behold. I do recommend wearing sneakers this day and something easy to move in. Those rocks, slippery, like ice skating, without ice skates. We had an easy breezy cover girl day, as you can tell. But this was the day that we had our walking tour around Athens. It's our first full day here after our welcome dinner. The sun was hot, we were tanning, and we were learning lots about the amazing history that Athens has to offer. Okay, we're taking the time now because I haven't had literally a moment to do it. But welcome to the vlog. We're in Greece with EF Ultimate Breaks. We just did our day in Athens and now it's 4:17 in the morning. Yay. And we're going to Santorini. So let's get it. My recommendation for the ferry is definitely bring some sort of Dramamine or nausea medication if you get really bad motion sickness. I did not. I regret. I am telling you now. Please do that. You're welcome.
In fact, what is Santorini?
A
A volcano. An active one.
Me.
Where? On your right hand side. Yeah.
I feel so good.
I know. This is legit the best place ever and I don't want to leave, but they're forcing me to leave. We have now arrived in Santorini and this is our second hotel of our trip. It was stunning looking and our room was very big, if I do say so ourselves. And my only disclaimer I would say that I did not like is the bed was really uncomfortable. And for me personally, if I'm traveling like that, I would like a really comfortable bed versus an aesthetic looking room. A quick overview of the day. We are still in day 4. We took a 5-hour long ferry ride from Athens to Santorini. got on a bus, went to that black sand beach, stayed there for a couple hours, not long enough in my opinion, came back to the hotel, had a few hours to change and get ready for dinner, where we had this beautiful sunset dinner put on by our wonderful tour director, Stephanos. And then we had to have the option to go clubbing. So we weren't home till like 2 a.m. This is day 5, which we had a little bit of a later start. It's our full day in Santorini. Most of our group ended up purchasing the extra excursion through EF, which is the Cliffside Wine Tasting and Village Tour. So that's what this footage is the village tour. I don't remember anything from this village tour. Couldn't tell you a single thing. It was cute though. It was nice to walk around. The wine was really good. The view was amazing. It was just a nice way to kind of enjoy an afternoon in Greece. And then from there, we made our way to Ia. Welcome to day 6. We finally made it to Paros. This was my favorite hotel by far, probably out of all my EF trips. That bed was so comfortable. This room was ideal. This is what I'm talking about. Stay here every time, EF. Thank you. This was an incredible day. We made it to Paros, and then our wonderful tour director, Stephanos, made this amazing dinner happen in Antiparos. So we got to take a boat over there and have dinner over there as a group, which was included because it was part of our plus trip. The next day, which is day 7, we got to spend a whole day on a boat day, which was also put together by our amazing tour director, Stephanos. And this is quite literally what we did all day. We swam, we ate. The boat staff was incredible. We had an amazing time. The food was authentic and delicious, as always. I highly recommend. It was such a great day just on the water.
Oh yeah.
And then I think you can see yourself here.
You know what I'll do? I want to take one of me like this and just be like doing like the whole flip.
No, that's a great idea.
There we go. Let's go.
Final room tour. This was our final stop, which is Mykonos, before we head back to Athens to head home. But we got off the ferry and then we went right to that beach bar and we had a great evening ahead. From there, day 9 was kind of a chill day. We kind of relaxed by the pool, took a load off, and then we went to a nice dinner in Mykonos before it was time to head back to Athens. One last ferry ride on day 10. Good morning vlog. We haven't said much, but our Greece trip is ending. We're heading down to our transfer now. It's 2:10 in the morning. So this is it. We're leaving. Bye. Bye.